Hey guys, it's Daniel with Supreme Auto Glass, and we just got this package from WRD. This is gonna be the new Spider 4. So I've been getting some requests to show how we use the Spider. So we just got this in. So here's the case. In here we have the Spider 4. It comes with this little hook, this roller, PA anchor, some stickers, some shields, the pins for the bottom, and yeah, not too bad. So this is the new version. This one actually has the anchor on the Spider itself, so you don't have to need the use of this. Takes off quarter glasses, windshields, back glasses the same, and we're gonna show you some tutorials. So Spider, this probably won't be the best example, or not a whole windshield, because they bought it from the auction, and this Model 3 has a big old hole in it. So I cut up to this crack with the coda knife, and we sliced the bottom with the extractor, so we don't have to worry about cutting the cord. Let's get the new line in. Get your poker. How much do we need? It's there for now. So right here, I'm gonna push it up since it's already loose. There we go. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Okay, so this knot on the Spider is gonna be the same. The line goes through. God dang it. So the line goes through this opening, the only opening it has, and then I'm just gonna give it the same knot I give it on the back. Okay, cool. So with the bat, we start on the driver's side. With the Spider, we start on the passenger side. So we get as close to this corner as we can, to the passenger side. Oh, I didn't even see this. It's cracked right here. It should be fine. I'm gonna get the anchor, and I prefer doing it on the inside. And then this one, when you wrap it, make sure you go counterclockwise, so that when the line starts pulling, this will tighten and it won't loosen. So with the Spider, we have to use this right angle, or we don't have to, but it's a lot easier because the drill's gonna have a hard time, especially this big one, fitting down here. So just gonna get a right angle, and this one actually only goes to the left. So we're just gonna go. And then we're gonna go all the way up here. So this point, try to get it as close to the corner as you can, so that it has the best cutting angle. the more angle you got, the better. So, right here. There's gonna be a lot of urethane here, so it's actually slicing from the other side. Get the other side. If it does that on you and you don't pay attention to this anchor, it's gonna what's it called? It's gonna rip on you because the tension's not good. So right here, there's just a lot of urethane in the corner, just like every other car. So just go a little slower, watch your anchor, and you're gonna make it through. Right there. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm trying to save once it's off, because this shit is giving me a fucking, it's because I'm trying to save it so much that I can't even proceed so it doesn't break. But I think I'm just gonna have to. Never mind, it didn't break. Badass. So yeah, the most important thing here is just you know, just watching the headliner. Watching the headliner, you don't want to slice the headliner, you don't want to hurt any cables. So just take it slow. Just take it slow, and you'll get there. So the anchor was here. I moved it to the center just to get a little bit out of the way, and that angle is, well, good. And then yeah, just making sure I was behind, making sure I was doing everything nice and clean. So it's out. Where's my thing? So this one you can untie it, and I'm gonna just keep it. So the windshield, probably that much. That's fine, like that. So now here, I'm gonna roll this up. And you're just gonna tie this up right here. That's pretty much it. So Spider 4, as long as you take care of your line, it's not gonna slice on you. Even with these windows that, you know, a rock or whatever goes through, as long as you take care of your line and cut it out first, it'll cut anything out. So I really like it. Doesn't matter if you have the Spider or the Bet. It takes it's the best. It's the best in its class. I thought the video was over, but this is what I was trying to say. These Teslas, it has this plastic I don't know what you would call it, guide for the wires to the rearview mirror. So the aftermarket ones, the aftermarket one doesn't have any. So a lot of people break them, a lot of people don't care, but I just like to save it, just, you know, just a nice little touch. The next installer that takes it off, if it's not me and he sees this aftermarket and he sees this, he'll be like, that guy was a badass. So yeah, all of this we're gonna transfer to the new window. You think I should show him? No? All right. So we're gonna transfer this over and then see you next time.